Hello, friends. My name is Leo. Today I have an exciting story to share with you. But first, let me tell you something special. Do you know who runs this channel? Illuminate Fables? A beautiful girl named Ilma. She works so hard to help us learn English in fun and easy ways. Ilma has created this channel just for us, and she is doing everything she can to make learning enjoyable. Now, before we begin, I have a few questions for you. Why are you learning English? A. For communication. B. To get a job. C. Other reasons, and how do you like to learn English? A. By listening to stories. B. By practicing grammar. C. Through conversation. Please let me know your answers in the comments below. Your answers will help Ilma, the creator of this channel, to make more helpful videos just for you. Now, I have one more request. Why not subscribe to this channel right now? Ilma deserves our support for all the hard work she does. So, hit that subscribe button and join our learning journey. All right, let's get started with the story. Today, I'll take you on a magical journey through time. Together, we'll explore New York City in different eras, and we'll learn new English words and phrases along the way. One day, I was sitting in my school library. I found an old book with golden letters on its cover. As I started reading it, something strange happened. The pages began to glow. And before I could understand, I was no longer in the library. I was standing in the middle of a busy street. There were tall buildings around me. People were dressed differently. The air smelled new, and everything felt magical. Do you know where I was? I was in New York City. But this wasn't the New York of today. It was the New York of the 1800s. In the 1800s, New York City was very different. The streets were filled with horse-drawn carriages. People spoke very politely and used old-fashioned words. A man came up to me and said, "Good day, young sir." I was confused at first, but then I realized it was his way of saying hello. I smiled and replied, "Good day." The man looked happy and said, "You are learning well, young lad." That day, I learned two new words. Good day means hello. Answer is a polite way to address a man. The people in the 1800s were very formal in their speech. It was like stepping into a storybook. Then the magical book took me to another time. I found myself in the 1920s. This was the time of jazz music and fancy parties. Everyone looked stylish and energetic. I met a woman who said, "Ain't it a swell day?" I didn't know what swell meant, so I asked her. She laughed and said, "Swell means great or wonderful." She also taught me another phrase. She said, "Let's hit the town." It means to go out and have fun. The 1920s were full of excitement and new slang words. I felt like I was part of a big celebration. After the 1920s, the magical book brought me to the New York of today. It was fast-paced and full of energy. I met a man who greeted me with, "What's up?" At first, I didn't understand. But then he explained it's a friendly way of saying hello. In modern New York, people also say things like, "Let's grab a coffee." It means to go out and drink coffee together. The words and phrases in modern English are very casual and friendly. It was exciting to see how the language had changed over time. After my journey through time, I came back to my room. I had learned so much about New York and English, from the polite good day of the 1800s to the fun slang of the 1920s and the casual expressions of today. English is always changing and growing. But do you know who made this journey even more special? Ilma, the one who runs this channel. Illuminate Fables. She is working so hard to make learning English easy for us. So, let's show her some love and support. Subscribe to this channel right now. And don't forget to click the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss another magical story like this one. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey, friends. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Illuminate Fables. More exciting stories and lessons are